I'd say we definitely have a mess. Went from freezing rain to snow mix, and it almost looked like a whiteout. I'm glad we stayed home. From what I was reading on the computer, Donald Trump just had told everybody to wear a face covering when going out because of the coronavirus. I'm going to have to watch the news on it myself. So I thought I'd do this short update on our weather here in North Dakota and tell everybody to be careful. All right. And it's not just because of the dang virus, the weather. Be careful out there, friends.